Good afternoon, everyone. We are the students of KPSM Institution of Pharm. Today, we are going to study about the compound microscope in human anatomy and physiology.
Compound microscope help us to study those organisms which we cannot see with naked eyes. The first part of our microscope is eyepiece, which help us to see through object under study. And the second part of this microscope is eyepiece tube, which holds this eyepiece. And then after, the part of my compound microscope is body tube, which holds all the part of microscope.
The next part of microscope is which includes line focus mode, which is used to focus the object under study. And the next part is force focus node, which used to clarify the object under study.
This part of compound microscope is revolving node piece, parts that hold or revolve two or more objective lenses. This part is objective, single lens or mirror of different magnifying. This part is called object pointer study. Next part is clips. This is used for holding the objective slide. Next part is stage. This function is where the specimen should be kept. Next part is convention. This function is collect and focus the light. Next, mirror highlight. This function is highlight shows for microscope. Next part is based. This function is a steerable platform, normally shaped for horse holes. Based. This function is a stable platform and normally it is a horseshoe shape. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.